Are you ready to supercharge your performance and achieve exceptional results in your job position? Then you are welcome to our groundbreaking online course entitled Supercharge Your Performance with ChatGPT, Mastering Effective Prompts for Optimal Results. In this course, you'll master the art of crafting the best prompt for ChatGPT, helping you to work faster, smarter, and with exceptional professionalism. Did you know that many commonly used ChatGPT prompts are incomplete? You are wondering what's wrong? Don't worry. Here are some of them. 1. Help me improve my performance on the job. 2. Show me how to make a meaningful contribution to a staff meeting. 3. Teach me how to prepare a good sales report. 4. Guide me write a good feedback letter. 5. Help me write a commendation letter. 6. How can I analyze my monthly report? 7. Teach me how to improve my sales skills. 8. How can I improve the quality of our products? 9. Guide me with tips to prepare PowerPoint presentation. 10. Help me with tips to improve our company production capacity. Our course will teach you the secrets of creating highly effective prompts that deliver outstanding outcomes. With our expert guidance, you'll learn how to ask ChatGPT for help in improving your job performance. We urge you to enroll in our course today and gain access to insider knowledge, practical exercises, and real-world examples. Sign up for the course today.